Two suspected terrorists, one believed to be a female suicide bomber, died in an explosion near a church on Tuesday, according to authorities, as Uganda increased the security ahead of Martyrs Day, the nation's biggest religious event. The blast happened close to the Munyonyo Martyrs Shrine, a historic Catholic site in Kampala's lakeside suburb. A small group had gathered for early morning prayers. Witnesses reported that the explosion occurred as a man and a woman riding a motorcycle near the church compound.